Hello student, today we will discuss about functional RNA like transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA and small nuclear RNA as an RNAs. Now the functional RNA fall into the varieties of classes that play a diverse role or different kinds of role. Unlike the messenger RNA, all the functions of functional RNAs are active as RNA and they are never translated into protein. Each class of functional RNA is encoded by the small number of genes and they are both stable and transcribed in the many copies. The main class is a group of functional RNAs contribute to various steps in the informational process of DNA into the protein. The two such class of functional RNAs are found in the both eukaryotes and prokaryotes, that is the ribosomal RNA, rRNA and ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. Now the transfer RNA or tRNA. The term transfer RNA has been proposed by Malone, Hoagland et al. In 1957. Transfer RNA is also known as a soluble RNA. It is soluble in the 1 molar solution of sodium chloride. And the transfer RNA identify amino acid in the cytoplasm and transport to them into the ribosome. And the molecule of transfer RNA are single stranded, relatively small and contain between 74 to 95 nucleotides. And in the eukaryote, the RNA polymerase III catalyzes the synthesis of transfer RNA. The first person to determine the base sequence of transfer RNA molecule was Robert Hawley in 1965. He reported the base sequence of transfer RNA molecule of alanine transfer RNA from the yeast and proposed two-dimensional 2D structure or two-dimensional structure of transfer RNA, that is also known as clover leaf model of transfer RNA. Now this is the clover leaf model of transfer RNA. The clover leaf is composed of a series of stem loop structure is known as arm. These included acceptor arm, which is formed by the base pair between nucleotides at the 5' to 3' terminal or end, and the sequence is CCA, and which occur at the terminus. It is not base paired and is the point of attachment of amino acid. And the next arm is the D arm or DHU arm. It is stem loop structure containing dihydrouridine, and dihydrouridine is an unusual pyrimidine nucleotide. Now the next arm is anticodon arm. This arm is responsible for recognizing and binding codons in the messenger RNA. And the extra optional or variable arm occur only in the some transfer RNA. They may be small, containing only 2 to 3 nucleotides. And the next arm is TCI arm. Contain the sequence TCI, where the psi stands for modified nucleotide, that is called the modified nucleotides is called pseudouridine. And the three-dimensional structure of transfer RNA was proposed by S.H. Kim in 1973. Three-dimensional structure of East phenylalanine transfer RNA. The shape of three-dimensional transfer RNAs resemble and the upside L letter. Now the transfer RNA or the adapter molecule. Francis Crick proposed the presence of adapter molecule that would on one hand read the codon in the messenger RNA and other hand would bind a specific amino acid. Later it has been found that transfer RNA can act as a adapter molecule or just like an adapter. It has an anticodon loop. This is the anticodon loop that has been bases complementary to the codon, and it also has an amino acid acceptor in CCA-3 to which bind amino acid, and the transfer RNA is specific for each amino acid. For initiating, there is another specific transfer RNA that is referred to as an initiator transfer RNA with the anticodon UAC. There are no transfer RNAs for termination codon. These are the example of transfer RNA, the adapter molecule. Now the next functional RNA is ribosomal RNA or rRNAs. The term ribosomal RNAs or rRNAs has been proposed by Coulant in 1960. It is the major component of ribosome and it is also called insoluble RNA. Ribosomal RNA is synthesized in the nucleolus and by the transcription with the RNA polymerase first, and in the human a single pre-RNA is synthesized which is proceed to given individuals 20S, 18S and 5.8S are ribosomal RNAs. The main function of ribosomal RNAs is to attach and to provide large surface for spreading messenger RNA over the ribosome during translocation process of protein synthesis. And one another class of functional RNAs participate in the processing of RNA and is specific to eukaryote is a small nuclear RNA or snRNAs. snRNAs found only in the eukaryote, and some snRNAs guide the modification of ribosomal RNAs, and other unite with the several protein subunit to form ribonucleic protein processing complex called spliceosome that remove the introns from the eukaryotic messenger RNA. Now the next topic is the central dogma. The central dogma of the molecular biology was originally formulated in 1958 by the English molecular biologist Francis Harry Campton Crick, stating that according to the scientist Francis, the biological information flows in unidirectional patterns means DNA to RNA and to protein. The exception of the central dogma is the reverse transcription. This process is reported by the scientist American virologist Howard Martin Temin and David Baltimore in 1970 independently in the RNA containing Rose sarcoma virus या RSV. Temin and Baltimore were awarded Nobel Prize in 1975 for the discovery of enzyme reverse transcriptase or RNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. Further, it has been reported that the telomeric region of some chromosome can be synthesized from an RNA template. This is the process of flow chart of central dogma. DNA, then messenger RNA, after transcription messenger RNA, then translation to form protein.